Okay. So welcome again to another night for Options Week. Today is day 3, I believe. Yeah, it's day 3 of Options Week. Let me make sure that I'm on here so I can see if anybody is commenting. All right, perfect. Perfect. Day 3 of Options Week. So we know that on Monday, what we did was we set up a broker pocket option for anybody who doesn't have one. They were able to set up pocket option, and I showed you how to take a trade in there. So now we were trading yesterday. We're going to trade today. All right, so let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. Hi, Joseph. Welcome to the call. So we know that I have to check the news first. I'm going to go to forexfactory.com. Did anybody trade today? You notice that there were so many red folders at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, of course. Right now it's 10 o'clock. There's no news. So if you hit more, we're going to see Thursday. So the next news occurrence is at 12:30 a.m. So we're in the clear. We have nothing at all going on. So that means we can trade anything that we want. Okay. So now that we've checked the news and we see that we're in the clear, I need to go to livecharts.co. Hold on. I need to check currency strength, and this will let me know what pairs I really want to consider. So I'm going to look at USD, JPY. I will also look at AU. Yeah, UJ, AU, and EU. That's what I will look at today. So let's, what did I say? Okay, UJ, AU, and EU. Those are the pairs that I will be focusing on. So for EU, I'm going to be looking for some buys because the euro is stronger than the US dollar. So I'm going to look for some buys. All right. So, okay, we have that there. UJ, the US dollar is weaker than the Japanese yen. So I'm going to look for sell. And AUD is stronger than USD. So buys. So buy AU, sell UJ. So I'm just going to change this to red so it's easier for me. All right. So on the 15-minute, we have some people that just came in. I see Dr. Tambo in the mix. Welcome to the call. He's in Nigeria, guys. It's really early over there. All right. So we're looking for sells. So remember I said when it comes to sells, you sell the floor. So I gotta find a floor. Here is one on the 15-minute. Let me go on the hour. It's still right there. So I'm going to set an alert here. Go on the 5-minute. Yeah. So I need to see it pull back. All right, let's put an alert right here as well. Okay. So my ideal entry is going to be for USD JPY 133.182 for a sell. So why can't I? What's going on with my computer? Okay. Let's move this down to the bottom. Okay. One, 3, point, what did I say? 182. 133.182 USD JPY sell. That's the first thing that we're going to look for, right? And then AU, we're looking for buys. Let's see. Is it 3 minutes or how much time frame for the trade? It's going to be 4 minutes that I use. We're going to go over to pocket option in a second. I just want to set the alerts. It's going to be a little time, so I just want to set the alerts, and then I will do a little refresher, because there are some people who I see here who haven't been here for the past couple of days, so I'll do a little refresher on that. So we sell the floor for a downtrend again, so let's go with this floor. Yep. Same thing on the hour. So I'm back on the 5 minute. I'm going to set an alert right here. 66386 for the sell. All right. 0.66386 AUD USD. Hold on. No, I'm looking for buys. My bad. Sorry. I'm looking for buys. I'm going to hold on. My bad. We got to buy. We got to come down here. My bad, guys. All right. 1 hour. All right. So actually, we're going to go right here. Good thing I caught that. Okay, great family connect. So 66202, sorry. 66202 for the buy, 0.66202 AUD USD buy. All right, so yes, we're doing binary options. I'm gonna pull up pocket option shortly. Euro USD is also gonna be for a buy. $15 minute. Okay. I'm definitely not looking to Euro USD is not looking great to me. It's consolidating here. So that's not looking good to me. Let me refresh this. All right. You know, I don't like GBP. So I'm just gonna stick with my thing. Why? Okay, I like GBP. I love GBP when trading regular Forex. I don't like it for binary options because GBP, it moves kind of volatile. So I can be in the trade and I can be so excited that I'm about to clear it. And then right at the end, it just shoots up, and instead of me clearing, I lose the trade. So I don't really trade GBP regular for binary options. GBP, JPY is Bay. You know, Jessica, I post about GJ sometimes. I can get some good pips, but when it comes to binary options, I leave that thing alone. Um, OddCAD, I can take a look at, well, OddCAD right now, it's almost the same currency strength. And when I'm trading, I like to see a difference. I like to see one currency stronger than the other. And right now, they're just almost the same. So I don't want to look at that right now. I'd more I want to look at Euro GBP or GBP JPY. That's looking better for me. Actually, we can look at AUD NZD. Let me add that here. Yes, yeah. See? I always look at Oanda, and based on currency strength, I'd be looking at it for a buy. AUD has 4 bars, NZD has 1. So that is a buy. Let me just refresh, make sure that, yeah. All right. So that is a buy. Make that green. All right. So let's look at that. I'm not going to look at Euro USD right now. It's not looking the best. All right. So we buy the ceiling of an uptrend. So there's the ceiling on the 15. Let's go with this on the hour. Let's see. Okay. Yes, I'm actually live streaming on YouTube right now. So it will be on my channel. All right. Let's see. Okay. So let's go back here. I'm going to set an alert like here. So 1.07295. 1.07295 AUD NZD buy. All right. So let's see. Okay, let's see. All right. Those are the 3 trades that we're looking at for right now. All right. Let's go to trading view, pocket option, sorry. So anybody who is here for the first time, getting an account with a pocket option is simple. I should have logged out before. So the site is pocketoption.com, and it's gonna look like this. There's a registration page, and you can use your Facebook or your Google credentials. If most people have one or both, you can use that to log into Pocket Option. But if you want to really make this your broker that you're going to trade with, you want to use your email and create your own password, and you can get a free demo with them. So if you want to do that now, just go ahead. Right, I'm going to log in, and I'm not a robot, so let me check that. Palm trees, palm tree, palm tree, palm tree, verify. Perfect. Yesterday, they were playing me, telling me that no, you're coming across like a robot. All right. And you will have like $1,000 demo dollars. Your screen is going to have candlesticks. I already adjusted mine to the line chart because, you can definitely analyze in here, but I do it in trading view, as you just saw. For those of you who are not too versed on trading view, on Sunday, I'm going to do a trading view tutorial. So you can come back for that on Sunday. I'll drop the info for that at some point. Tomorrow I'll work on that. All right, so we're doing AU, UJ. So let's delete this. Remove that. AU, UJ, and what else I said? AUD and ZD. All right, let's see. Okay, awesome, Joseph. No problem. AUD and ZD. So when you first log in, you're going to see stocks here. So in Pocket Option, you can trade anything. Currencies, foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices. So when you first log in, you're going to see stocks. But we're trading currency. So you click on currency. The currencies will be here. And I got to look for AUD and ZD. Let's see if we have it. AUD and ZD. We don't have it aside from OTC. So what I have done, what the analysis that I've done is not OTC. It's not over the counter. It's based on what's actually happening. So this is UJ shooting up. Remember, we're looking for a sell on UJ. So let's see where it is. Okay. Did I miss something? Okay. It's coming, guys. So you want to be in UJ 4 minutes. Oh, man. It's shooting up. Set the timer on 4 minutes. You want to risk 1, 2, or 3% of your account, right? And we are going to take the trade when it comes to our entry point. Let's see. It didn't quite make it. It just almost made it. So what you can do, I'm going to enter lower. It came right below the entry. So I entered. So I'm in the trade right now. Anybody who is being patient and waiting, it's still teetering around. Oh, okay, let's see. The alert didn't go off. I'm in for 4 minutes. Anybody got in? Are you on 1 hour time frame? Which time frame for candlesticks? I analyze on the 15 minutes and the hour, and I look for my entry on the 5 minutes. So I'm in, Laverne, you're in, and we just now have to wait.
I am in.
Venna is in, okay. So we just gotta wait. Let's see. So guys, we're in the trade. There are 4 things you're looking for when you're taking a trade. You need the asset, which is the currency pair. You need to know the time frame. I take trades for 4 minutes. That's just me personally. As you get more involved with binary options, you can determine how long you want to be in a trade, whether you want to be in a trade for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you know, whatever time frame you want to be in, you can determine that. I think I'm gonna take a rollover. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna roll over. Wait, it did the same thing to me again. It did the same thing to me again. So now it hits the entry, the area. So anybody who didn't get in, who was waiting on this entry, it came there, but for some reason, I didn't get the alert. But yeah, that was where I put the notification to go off. It went off there. What's a rollover? Okay, so you see the rollover right here. So when you're in a trade, if you think price is gonna go down, but you think you need to buy yourself a little bit more time, you can hit the rollover button once it's available. Right now, it's no longer available. You have about half the time to actually hit the button. If you don't hit the button within the time, then it disappears. When it's there and you can hit it, you hit the button, it's gonna cost you the same amount that you paid to get in the trade. It will cost you that amount. So it will double it. If you clear the trade, you will make the money that you risked. If you don't clear the trade, you will only, no. If you clear the trade, you will make the money and the profit. If you don't clear the trade, you will only lose what you risked. So since I wasn't able to hit rollover, I thought I did. So I cleared one, I lost one. I was trying to be in the trade for 8 minutes. So if we see it's gonna go down. So my intention was to have rolled it over and bought myself some more time. So now you see it's doing what I wanted it to do. So I just needed to buy some more time. But I got the higher entry. Right when I hit rollover, only double up was available. What double up did was give me another entry at that price that it was at right then to expire at the same time, the same 4 minutes. So that's what happened. So this was yesterday. Last night I got 1, 2, 3 trades cleared, 1 loss. Today so far I have 1 win, 1 loss. So we're waiting to see the others. We're waiting to see if what's gonna happen with the others. All right. I'm pissed. But you see, it definitely came to the entry point. If I had waited, but I tried to hit rollover, but you have like half the time. So I had 2 minutes to decide. So when I decided, it was like too late. But I don't know why it didn't go off. Let's see again. Let's hit that again. All right. If it comes back up, I'm gonna take another one. If it comes back up here, I'm gonna take another entry. Let's see. Let's look at AU. We're waiting on this to come somewhere down here. Stochastic is going down. I want to see it come down here. And you want to check the currency strength from time to time. All right, so AU, it has the same strength right now, so I don't like it anymore. I don't like it anymore. Benna, does your broker have AUD and ZD? Okay, she's gone.
I did a rollover and I won all three of them.
Okay, yeah, I was trying to hit rollover and the time wasn't enough. But that's what I like to do, 4-minute trades for that.
Which one you said? AUD what?
NZD. Do you have that one? Because I put that in the chat.
Okay. Yes, I have AUD NZD.
All right, so you're doing that.
It's not giving me. Okay. It's giving me one fancy thing here that I don't understand. It gave me like a double chart. Mommy. Yes, double line chart it's giving me. I don't know how to change that. Mommy. Yes, baby.
I don't know.
Nasi nose dirty.
Oh my God. You can mute yourself. Oh my God. All right. So we're waiting on AUD NZD for those who have that in their broker. Even though we have this indicator here, I'm looking for it to come below because the stochastic is overbought here. I need to see it come down and then she can take the buy. AUD NZD, yes. Let's see. Not for us pocket option people, for people who can do it regular, because I've analyzed it in trading view. So this is based on the actual market. In pocket option, it only has OTC 4 minutes. My trades are 4 minutes, right? So 4 things you're listening out for: the asset, whether it's buy or sell, the time frame, and the price. So you just want to have it on 4 minutes here. That's my preference. Now, anybody on here who is a trader already, maybe you decide you want to do 2 minutes. People are trading binary options, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Miss Haley be playing with 30 seconds. She's a daredevil. I'm not doing that. All right. So, yeah. Let's see. AUD, NZD. So this is operating as a level of support right now, I see. Yes. When the notification, if it comes and picks you up at the bus station, I will let you know. I will let you know. All right. So right now, we're waiting on UJ again, 133.047. That's all. 133.087 for the sell. All right. 4 minutes. All right. 4 minutes or higher. So when you're taking a trade in binary options, their app is there. I have my phone here, so if any notification comes from the app, oh, the alert did go off in my on my phone. It's just because my phone is on sleep mode. My bedtime is 9 o'clock, guys. I'm up just for this. So no trade ideas coming out in NFX app right now. Last night when we were on, it took like a whole hour before we got our setups. And at that same time too, that's when we started seeing trade ideas come in the NFX app. So therefore, oh Nelly, you too. Therefore, it could be the same thing that happens tonight. I was thinking that 10 o'clock would be a good time, but now the next time I do binary options week, I'm going to have to do 11 o'clock. And you know what the reason could be, now that I think of it, the daylight saving time. I think that's what's happened, because before it would be 10 o'clock. And I'm like, why is 10 o'clock not a good time? I didn't factor that in. So because of daylight savings time, I should have been doing this at 11. But yeah, it's okay. Did you guys remember that it was daylight saving time? On Sunday, I had a call. On Sundays, I do a call for my Africa partners. And so it's at 1 o'clock that I do it, 7 p.m. their time. And I got on and I'm like, I don't see anybody. And I was so mad because I don't like people not respecting my time. And the call was actually at 2 o'clock because the time changed and I was there waiting. I'm like, and then I messaged them and like, just as I expected, because I'm just a stickler for time, guys. I'm a time Nazi. But yeah. So now I'm realizing what it is. The time changed. So 11 o'clock is the time. 11 o'clock is the time. But we're here. UJ gave us one. Let's see. It's shooting up again. Let me look and see. All right. So yeah, UJ is getting ready.
I think AUD and ZD have left the harbor.
UJ is getting ready. Let's see. Maybe that was the entry. What time is it? 10:41. 10:45. So remember, guys, I said I like to take trades on the hour, the half hour, and the 45 minutes. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna give us the entry. Let's see. It could definitely turn around right here, but I wasn't patient last time, so I'm gonna wait. Let's see if it comes to 133.047. Let's see. And sometimes it may not come to the exact price. It can just be the general area. So let's see, let's see, let's see. Is it gonna give it to us? Okay. To me, that is pretty close. I'm gonna take an entry here. You may want to wait. I'm taking that entry because that's pretty close for me. So I'm in. All right, it's going up a little bit more. All right. Let's see, let's see. Once it hits 10:45, I believe it's gonna come down. So I'm let's see.
I just cleared another UJ.
Okay, what time frame are you doing?
I had entered on the 3 minutes, but I had entered before you said to enter.
Your time frame that you're using is 3 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
But it's still going down.
Mhm. All right. So that's the next thing you gotta understand, guys. So when taking a trade, yes, I have the alert set here, but it's more like a zone. So if you watch it and you notice that the momentum goes up and then you know, you can decide to pull the trigger, but it's up to you. Everybody has their own button to push, you know? So in this one, okay, okay. I have 1 minute and 40 seconds left in this trade. And it's not over till it's over. Now, when I first started, I did 3-minute trades. Okay.
Uh-oh. I was just about to say you're in profit, but
It's gonna come to I will take a trade here. Wait. um, Didn't I just hit the button? All right, 10:45. It just came to the alert. So those who didn't get in can get in. It just came to the alert. Yep. You can get in now. Whoever is not in, this is the time to get in. This is the time to get in. All right. So I lost that other trade. I wasn't, you know, I was in profit and then it just did that to me. Let's see what else. Move this down. Ugh, I hate how this all looks. Euro NZD doesn't look bad. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Let's see. It feels good to win. So you took the trade, Joseph? Okay, awesome. Awesome. All right. So the 45-minute trade was the trade. I definitely got in here and lost it at the right at the last second. So the hour, the half hour, and the 45 minutes, those are the 3 times I like to take trades, really. Um okay, and you cleared, you took it when it hit the alert. Yeah.
I cleared
Okay.
4 and didn't clear 1.
Okay, awesome. So I think I'm 2 for well, I'm being premature. Uh, I need to clear this first. Uh let's see. I'm 1 for 2 right now. I've cleared 1 trade. I have lost 2 trades. So once this doesn't shoot up, I will have won 2 trades, lost 2 trades. Not looking as good as yesterday. Yesterday was 3-1. So far, I am 2 for 2. So you see, 1, lost, 1. Right. So you took it for 2 minutes. Right. So everybody has to, you're gonna figure out what time frame works best for you. I like to take trades 4 minutes. Okay, no problem. Take care, Gabby. Feel better. I think that was both of them are Gabby. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so I want to take one more. I do not want to end the night like this. So I'm going to look for a trade on the hour. I was looking at Euro NZD. All right, so we're looking at it for a buy. But you guys getting the hang of what binary options is about. All right. So I'm gonna look on the 15-minute. We buy the ceiling, so there on the hour ceiling, same thing, but it's coming into the overbought. So, and it's overbought already here. So I'm gonna need it to come down a little more than this. I'm gonna need it to come down. Okay, 1 loss, 2 wins. Awesome. Make sure you guys drop it in the chat, in the Telegram chat when you're done. Okay, good. Yes, yes, Alex. All right. Mhm. Good night. Oh yeah. Once you become a trader with us, once you are enrolled with B, you'll be added to the Telegram chat. Okay. What was I doing? All right. So you should get signed up with us so that you can be in the chat with us. All right, I'm gonna say down here. Okay, yeah. Awesome. We can, okay, OTC means over the counter, and it's not actually what's happening in the market. That is something else going on. You you have to analyze right in pocket option. If you look in trading view at the same currency pair, you're gonna see a completely different price. So it's not, you can't really predict it. I don't trade it, but for those of you who do want to trade OTC in wow, Ty Pips, the educator Ty Pips, she will teach you how to do OTC. She trades OTC. I don't do OTC. If you notice, it doesn't say that on here. And OTC is appealing because it has those 90% payouts. But brokers are here to make money off of you. So they're gonna put whatever is least likely. They're gonna put the big payout on that. I'm not touching it with a 10-foot pole. I'm just not. I know my limitations, so I'm not gonna mess with that. We cannot find, right. Okay. Oh, it's not there. They're analyzing it and it's not in. Let me see. Okay. Euro NZD. But you have it, Venna, right? You have Euro NZD in race option. Venna, 1055. All right, let's see if we can get something else out of UJ on the hour. UJ seemed to be the one that's looking out for us. You have it, Laverne? Okay, so I will analyze.
Unfortunately, I'm doing the OTC and I got 4 out of 4 with 2 minutes.
Why do you say unfortunately? That is good for you.
Because you said you don't do it.
Yeah, I don't do it. I don't do it. So
But
it's, if you're doing it and you're clearing, it's not
2 minutes.
unfortunately. It's good. You're doing it. I
Yeah.
don't. Okay. All right. You did 2 minutes. Okay, great. So like I said at the beginning, everybody has to decide what time frame works best for them. Me personally, I do 4-minute trades. Um, so I'm waiting on UJ. Let's see. Save. All right. UJ 132996. That's what I'm looking for. 132996. Oh, you did a 5 second. Okay, so if 5 seconds works for you, Charles, you go for it. Haley loves to do those heart attack, cardiac clear type trades too. So hey, you guys are the daredevils. I don't want to have a heart attack trading. Honestly, um, because of this session, I'm doing 4 minutes, but normally I do 15-minute trades. I just set it and go about my business. So I don't have to stress out about it. I do 15-minute trades. So you can, it's up to you guys. Like you go here, open this up. There's S5, that's 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 4 hours. You can be in the trade however long you want to be in the trade. All right. But that's where you want to use the demo account and practice and figure out what's going to work for you. And then you do it in your live account. I've lost $1 tonight with these trades. Mm. All right. What time is it? 10:58. So on the hour, that's a period of reversal. Right now, I'm gonna see what is going on with this. Let's check the currency strength. UJ is for a sell still. What was this? Euro NZD. Euro NZD is not coming down. Euro NZD is a buy. I need a pullback. I don't. Go ahead. Somebody wanted to say something? Okay. I need a pullback before I'm going to see. So we need a pullback. That's the ceiling right there. It broke out, pull back a little here, broke out. At the very least, I would want to see it even pull back right here. At the very least. By, okay, it didn't do it. It's 11 o'clock. I need a pullback to get in to a trade. So it didn't pull back. It's on top of the hour. Five-second trade. Wow. Okay. So for tonight, I'm 2 for 2. Those are my results. 2 for 2 tonight. Last night, 3 to 1. I think I'm going to end it right here. Let me just check UJ again real quick. I really wanted to not end the night like this. Let's see if UJ can come to my entry point. Let's see. Let's see. 11:01. Mm, I needed to come on. Okay, see now 11 o'clock. Now the percentage payout is looking more like what it's supposed to. So now, because I came to this awakening on this tonight, is it okay, guys, if we go live tomorrow at 11 p.m. instead of 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? Because the market is not really doing anything at 10 o'clock now that the time has changed. It's not. Let's see. Yeah, no problem. Okay, and so that means that's 4 o'clock your time, Christian. So 4 o'clock in Nigeria. Okay. I'm gonna only Christian is okay with it.
I am okay as well.
Okay. All right. Yeah, because 10 o'clock is not a good time. It was a good time, but now that the time has changed, it is not. And I need to see movement so I can get in the trade. Not even one trade idea came out in the NFX app last night or tonight, you know? So yeah, yeah, it's fine. Oh, you won't be able to come on at 11? Yeah, but it just doesn't. If we're doing trading sessions, we want to come on and make money, not what's happened now, you know? Last night I made a little something something trading at this time. I actually lost $1, but it's okay. It's okay. So before I go, let me just recap the um risk management. So whatever amount you have in your account, you want to risk 1, 2, or 3% of that. 1% if you're new or you are really conservative. 2% if you are moderate, you can handle a little bit of risk, and 3% if you're an aggressive trader and you don't want to risk any more than that. You should have two numbers in mind. First number is your target for the day. Let's say your goal is to grow your account 8%. That doesn't mean you're going to risk 8% of your account. It means you're going to risk 1, 2, or 3%, whatever your tolerance is, as many times as is needed until you get to that goal. Then the other number, aside from what the target is, the 8%, you need to know how much you're willing to lose, because trading involves risk. Don't risk any money that you're not willing to lose. So if your goal is 8%, maybe, you'd be okay with losing 3%, right? If you lose 3% of your account, you'd be fine with that. Then, if you're a 1% or a conservative trader, you can take 3 trades. And if you only are taking losses and you get to loss number 3, you can be done for the day, right? We see UJ is coming close to the area. So let's see. AU just I just got the alert on AU. All right. So anybody wanted to buy AU, now we can buy AU. Let me go. Okay, higher. So I'm in AU for a buy. Am I? I hit the button and it didn't. Okay. All right. So I'm in AUD USD for a buy, and I'm waiting to see if I can get into UJ. Um, let's see. Ah, the current, I don't like the currency strength. I didn't check this before I entered. So we'll see. But it is pulling up. I'm in AU. Let's see. Um, so that's one that we were waiting on forever. Did anybody get in? Benna, did you get in? Um,
No, I did not. I am caught up with Nasir right now.
okay. Let me see. Christian, you got in? Okay. Um, all right. UJ, it came really close, but because I got the alert on AU, I just switched over. So I missed getting into UJ, but that was also good because, remember I said it doesn't have to exactly come to the price. It just has to come close. It just has to come close. So, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let us see. I have how many minutes left? I have a little under 2 minutes left in this trade. The people who are 2 minuters would have cleared. Christian, are you in the trade for 4 minutes or you're in for a shorter amount of time? Hmm. So guys, you see now I wouldn't be able to do a rollover if I had needed to now because it's less than half the time. So rollover is not an option. Yes. Okay, maybe I need to reassess that 4 minutes. Oh, you just won on 2 minutes. I'm like, no, maybe I need to reassess that 4 minutes. I haven't traded binary auctions. I switched to doing Forex, but I wanted to do this workshop. And when I left off, I was doing 4 minute trades. Maybe I need to revisit the time frame that I'm doing these trades on. But also, I did see that the currency strength had changed. So USD being the stronger one. So, but good for you. Um, okay. So as AU was going up, UJ was going down, and vice versa. All right. So I definitely lost that trade. Oh no. So 1, 2, 3 losses, 2 wins. It happens. All right. So that's gonna be it for tonight. Uh I'm trying to hit stop share. Okay. All right. I'm gonna I have to change my my time frame. I'm going back to 2-minute trades because 4 minutes it goes into my profit and then I lose it. I'm just learning binary. I'm not patient enough to be in for 4 minutes. This is great. Thank you. You're welcome, Laverne. Does anybody have any questions before we close out or I can go to bed? Christian, you lost the trade? Anybody have any questions? Okay. Hey, that's what proper
Yeah,
risk management
I
is.
just went deeper than the 2 minutes. I tried the 5 seconds and I lost them both. So I stick with my 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay. I can't do trades in seconds. I just can't. All right. Does anybody have any questions though? No questions? All right, so that is day 2 of the live trading, and tomorrow will be the last night. So if there's anybody who you want to get on that you've been talking to about binary options and they don't know what it is, they can get on and we can see. And remember, we're going on at 11 o'clock and I'm doing 2-minute trades tomorrow night. 2-minute trades. That's what I'm going to be doing. And you see, it's all about being patient, waiting on it to come to your entry. AU, we were waiting on that for like an hour. It came, Miss Laverne took it, cleared it in 2 minutes. Right? So yeah, it's just about being patient. All right. So bye everybody on here. Goodbye everybody in YouTube land. Anybody who is not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share it with others. I just hit my 100 subscriber milestone, but I need to get to 1,000. So, yeah, all right. So good night,